मैम ये वैष्णव मैम बोलोगे थैंक यू मैम
Really special. Sure.
Ready, rolling?
Roll.
Yeah, you're here for the
Light.
You're here for the book launch. What do you have to say?
I am really proud to be here for the book launch of Humans of Bombay. I don't agree with the title though, because I don't think anybody in this book is ordinary. These are all amazing, remarkable human beings that have shared their stories of love and compassion and strength and perseverance and just life. And I'm so proud of Karishma. I think I can say that because she's like a full decade younger than me. That at only 21, at just 21, she started talking to people and becoming interested in their lives and sharing and celebrating their humanity. And not only sharing their humanity, she also started helping making a difference. Something that I was really touched by Karishma was the fact that you gave 23 lakhs that the community of Humans of Bombay put together literally overnight to a person who had been falsely accused in a bomb blast case and had spent 23 years in jail. And it's stories like this that this book is filled with, and it's a real honor and privilege.
It's my privilege.
And I'm
Thank you
so
so
proud of you.
So sweet.
May you
Thank
keep sharing stories and keep making the difference that you do. And all the best to you and the entire team of Humans of Bombay.
Thank you. That's so sweet. And just want to say that we could not think of a better person to launch our book. Like we were just like, you're so aligned, you're so passionate, you're self-made, and now you're a mother and you're juggling all these roles so beautifully. Thank you so much for doing this.
It's my honor.
Well, the book is all about ordinary people's special story and the struggle and all the life of there. Any person whom you have met and that person's story has inspired you a lot.
You know, I actually, while I was reading the manuscript when it was sent to me, it reminded me of a very powerful exercise that we were taught in acting workshop. And it's an exercise that helps you break false walls of ego. It helps you connect with your team members or your fellow cast, whoever it is. But most importantly, I think it just helps you discover that we're all human. And it's an exercise called the circle,
Oh.
where you sit together and you share each other's life story from the day you were born up until this point. You want to go back to your previous generations also, you can. It's a very powerful exercise because many times हम किसी को देखते हैं और उनको देखकर डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि वो कैसा इंसान होगा. जब हम किसी से बात करने लगते हैं हमको तब असलियत पता चलती है. I think that's what this, whether it's the Instagram page or it's this book or it's just the effort to speak to a stranger. I mean, what Karishma did at 21 was what? Talk to strangers. हालांकि हमें बचपन से ये कहा जाता है कि अनजान लोगों से बात मत करो. But what you realize when you speak with strangers is that we're all the same. And the only thing that separates one person from another is their own unique story. So, just as powerful as that exercise, I think I thought that would be a interesting personal thing to share with all of you. It changed the game for us on every film set, on every work experience that I had. I remember Barry John teaching us this. And it really brought us close as a community, as friends, as colleagues.
So all know that how fond you are of reading books, but what is that specific thing which attracts you the most about reading the book?
You know, honestly, I am somebody. I love reading fiction, but I prefer non-fiction. I'm very inspired by true stories. I'm very inspired by human stories, and that's why I think this would be on my top must-read.
How sweet.
Books.
Thank you.
Yeah,
That's so
sure.
sweet. Okay, thank you so
रिया
much. Thank you.
रिया मैम,
Thank you.
जैसे कि आपने एक स्टोरी के बारे में आपने
Last
बात
question,
की,
last
23 जो इयर्स जेल में रहना, तो कहीं ना कहीं जो आम आदमी है गलत तरीके से फंस जाना और उसके पूरे इयर्स पूरे लाइफ खराब हो जाते हैं। आज आर्यन खान का भी बेल ऑर्डर
Sorry, we're not answering.
भी गलत
नहीं,
तरीके से
come
बोला
on.
गया, व्हाट्सएप चैट जो गलत निकले हैं, मतलब कंस्पिरेसी
We're
नहीं
not
था,
answering this.
गलत
We're not
तरीके से
answering
बताया
this.
गया। Sorry, like to comment. गलत
I think the Bombay High Court has made the
Yeah.
comment they
Please,
needed to.
देवा बुक, अरे बुक, एक सेकंड बुक के साथ फोटो
जरा जरा लाइट देना ना सर।
मैं इनके also hold the book. यहाँ पे
You start from your right. From your right you start. Yeah.
दिया मैम प्लीज
दिया जी राइट से स्टार्ट कर दिया मैम इस तरफ से राइट से स्टार्ट कीजिए। या हाँ या
Yeah, one in the center, both of you, please. Yeah.
Thank you.
दिया मैम एक सेकंड एक दिया मैम एक सोलो दिया मैम इस तरफ से मैम।
No, your left side. Riya ma'am in the center. Thank you, ma'am.
So that's, as we were talking, the name just clicked and yeah, we went.
So
through
in
that.
Humans of Bombay, we came to know that you are picking up stories like normal people, auto rickshaws, chai wala, as you
Yeah.
said. So we will see the same thing in this book launch also.
No, so it's all across, it's all kinds of stories. तो हमारे बुक में रतन टाटा से लेके रोहन जोशी कॉमेडियन है, there is a chaiwala, there is a gatekeeper at Jaisalmer Kuldhara, so you'll find something for everybody. ऐसा एक कोई theme नहीं है.
Okay, so
It's Mumbai now. Why you kept it Bombay actually? What?
So actually, when I started it, I was 21, and I felt very connected to Bombay. So I think of an impulse, I named it Humans of Bombay, and then it just stuck, and we never changed it after that.
So how
But-
did you came with this extraordinary peoples? Like how did you started and how did this all list of names came up across you?
When we started Humans of Bombay, it was inspired by Humans of New York. और मैंने India chapter चालू किया. It was just inspired from Humans of New York. I think that as time went, वो जो that instinct की Facebook page या Instagram page से किताब लिखनी है was pretty seamless. So we have one book already. It's called Humans of Bombay. This is our second book, and it's published by HarperCollins.
Right. So you have a huge following on your social media as well, you know.
Yeah.
So like, how much is this going to inspire your, because being on social media
Yeah.
platform, there are some kind of responsibilities. So how is this going to, like, what kind of message is this going to give your followers and your fans?
I think that at Humans of Bombay, we're now focusing on becoming a much larger company. We are a company. People often mistake us for an NGO or for, just a page, but we aren't just a page. आज आप देखेंगे, so from Pedder Road to JJ to Chembur, there are billboards of Humans of Bombay across Bombay. We're going to have installations at the airport. We're doing an 8-city tour in India. I think the message is that we're becoming bigger and better.
So Karishma, you are a writer, you are an entrepreneur, you are a TEDx presenter also, and a photographer also. So which role do you like the most to play and to work with?
Writer.
Writer.
I've always been a writer.
Okay, as you said, writer. Which is your favorite book?
So I have a bunch. I mean, if I have to pick, the first thing that came to my mind was Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, because it inspired me to become a writer, and I started reading from there. I can't pick one book, but I love Chitra Banerjee. I love all her books. I enjoy Ruskin Bond. I can't pick one book, but
But any special recommendation that inspired you a lot that I should be a writer like that?
J.K. Rowling, Harry
J.K.
Potter. Yeah, I didn't know J.K. Rowling was a female until I 2-3 years passed, and then I realized, oh my God, she's a woman author, and women can be authors. So then I was very inspired by J.K. Rowling.
So Karishma, you relate to like a more common people, more normal people. So is that any story behind that you don't go like what the cliche type, and you don't go with the high living society. You keep calm, you keep low key. Is that any story behind that?
No, nothing. Actually, this is the essence of what we do. Or full credit to the team. I don't go anymore to interview. We have a very talented set of writers and photographers who make this happen. I'm just now behind the scenes, so all credit to my team too.
Okay, Karishma, there was a story like when you're photographing on near Taj Hotel, some people caught you and like this is not allowed here and
Yeah.
something. Would you like to tell that? Tell
Sure,
us
yeah. So I think it was when we just started 1 year, and there was a henna artist. So we were like, we started interviewing her, and then my photographer tapped me from the back, and I just looked up, and 100 people waiting, just seeing, because they thought it was some TV thing, but
Yeah.
actually we're just having a conversation with one camera. And then the cop came and said that this is not allowed and jail jana padega and all of that. And I was like, no, I was 22, so it was an experience. Yeah.
like any experience you would like to share being a writer, entrepreneur, TEDx presenter?
I think every day has been such a learning experience for me. Everything, even this event, we've just kind of like put together with so much hard work. Please, like, do take the team also. There's Unnati, there's Amit, there's Kashish here. There are a lot more, but these are the guys who pulled it off, and I think that hard work goes a long way. We have a very, very hard working team.
Yeah, when you're talking about ordinary people, you must have come across lots of people where you may be having lots of issues also. Like,
Yeah.
there are lots of issues in Mumbai. Maybe it could be education, empowerment, and lots of other things. So, which is something which is very close to your heart, and you would really like to work on that particular thing.
So personally, I take up women and children causes. That's what I feel
Sorry,
most.
I'm just interrupting. You have to just put your chair in the center.
Oh, sorry.
Straight,
Yeah, so I think women and children. So we do a lot of crowdfunding. In the past 5 years, we've crowdfunded upwards of 15 crores for various various individuals. But we look for women and children cases. So we funded the education of the daughter of a sex worker to send her to a college abroad. We've funded acid attack victims. We funded schooling. We funded education. We've even during COVID, we actually raised 2 crores for Hemkund Foundation. And so I think that giving back is very, very important to us, and this crowdfunding is the way that we see best to do it.
What is in the bucket list actually? You have lots of things, but then kya hai?
For in
In terms of your work only, in fact.
like where do I want to be?
Yeah, something.
I think that it's a very open-ended question, but definitely we're looking at becoming more of a media house, a 360-degree media house. We already write content for our partners. We know everything content, so just kind of building on that. We want to get into films. We want to get into OTT. Hopefully every year we publish a book. And we also are thinking of ways to give back more. So that vertical is definitely being built up.
Any plans with Dia? Like, she's coming or maybe
No,
something.
she's just so aligned with whatever we do. She's for the environment. She is a mother now recently. She's self-made. She's an entrepreneur producer. So I don't think there was a better person to come.
Well, as you said that this is a second book, and is there any more extraordinary stories so that you can come up with a third one also?
We have a bank of 6,000 stories. I can print a new book tomorrow. It's just a matter of putting it together. But yeah, it's ongoing for sure.
Karishma, talking